Just a quick video on a wheel skin. This is a 19 Cadillac XT5. This is not a Pacific rim. This is a Coast2coast International. It's made a little bit differently, and when I was looking on Amazon, I never could figure out how these attach. They do not have the clips on the sides, and if you look on Amazon, you'll see this little thing in the middle that you turn. So basically, these wheels, actually, wheel skins are held on by the center. Once you pull the center cap out, you turn that little knob to the right until it clicks in, and that's all it's holding them. One good thing about this is that there's no clips or anything to scratch your wheels up when you're taking them on and off. When you take your center cap off, be very careful. It's just a piece of plastic. Use a very small screwdriver and go straight in, and should pop right out. And this is what it looks like with the skin. Of course, I don't have the emblem in it. And then this is what it looks like before I even put the skin on. Thank you.